Because of this COVID-19. I know that many families, many people, they have suffered because of this COVID-19. And before talking anything, my concern, my feelings for those members, for those families connected with the DPS, even outside DPS, those who have suffered because of this COVID, we have all the consolation, we have all the feelings for them. And this is worldwide spread out problem. This is not restricted in one country or with one society, with some people. And in this, the first and foremost, the most important thing is there, how to keep ourselves safe, healthy, and fit. So many suggestions we are getting through WhatsApp, how to keep ourselves healthy, fit, or how to save our life first before any other thing. That is the priority today. I know that all the members, all the students, they are taking care of this. They are taking care of their families. I know this is the tough time. They are not able to enjoy this time. They are not able to go out. They are not able to play. They are not enjoying their friendship, or they are not meeting their friends. So many restrictions are there. But how to keep ourselves very healthy in enjoyable situation in this pandemic time, that skill we have to learn. Nobody was knowing, and this is very unfortunate, but this is very uncertain also. And whatever we are listening, in future, it is going to be tough time for the youngsters, for the children, those who are below 80. So I want that each member is going to be have the concern for this, or is going to take care of themselves, and so that all of us are keeping ourselves very safe and healthy. After that, let me take this opportunity to welcome every child in DPS. DPS family, that is a very large family. So many schools are there for outsiders, those who are going to join with us. Let me tell them, we are having 225 plus schools in country and abroad. And all the schools are doing so well in their vicinity, in their city, in their state. Starting from DPS RK Puram to other DPSs, DPS Ranchi, Bokaro, Bhilai, all the DPSs you will find children that they are doing extraordinary because of their devoted, dedicated children. Joining DPS is not a very easy task. You know that approximately 4,000, 3,900 some children, they were the applicants, they were interested to come to DPS. And out of that, conducting the interview, talking to every child, conducting the test for physics, chemistry, maths, and other subjects for commerce stream and for humanities stream, that was not an easy task. But let me tell you that DPS Ranchi is known for its leadership. DPS Ranchi is known for its devoted teachers. I would like to congratulate at this point of time to all my teachers, in charges, headmasters, those who were involved in the process of admission in class 11. 1 week they did wonderful job connecting with every child, reaching to every child, every parent, through parent or directly to the children, talking to them, asking the questions to them, and evaluating, doing the assessment, and after that, preparing the list of selected candidates. This was not easy task, but they did it. So my congratulations, my thanks to all my team members, all my staff, those who able to did it, or those who could do the justice with the children. Now, all of you are the part of DPS family. DPS Delhi Public School motto you might be knowing, that is the service before self. All my teachers are committed, are believed about the duty before the right. This is for the children also. We are here to provide the service and without thinking about ourselves. Second thing is there, we are here to nurture the global citizen. You don't think that you are the part of DPS, so you are going to be there in a city, in a state, or in a country. All the children are going to spread out all over the world after 2 years. You know that after class 12th, you are going for engineering, medical, CLAT, for NDA, for other competitive examinations. So you are not going to be here in one state or in one country. This is the 2 years, very crucial time for every child, for shaping their career, for thinking about their future, going to work hard as per the direction, guidance provided by the teachers. And after 2 years, where you will be there, you don't know. Today, at least you are not knowing. We are dedicated, we are devoted to work with the children without thinking ourselves, that's why I said in the beginning, we believe in service before self. We try to provide the quality education. For us, education does not mean only getting 99%, 98%. It is for the shaping the career. It is for shaping the personality. It is for the quality future or quality life. Undoubtedly, when we talk to the children, we interact with them, we work with them, we guide them. So they come out with the wonderful result, with the best result. You might be knowing that last 2 or 3 years back, we are third best in the country. And today, let me tell you that DPS Ranchi is at the top among 225 plus DPSH in country and abroad. So, dear children, you should know why I'm talking all these things, because you should know where you are going to join, what is the school, what is its vision, what is its mission, how it works, what is its philosophy. And until you are not cohesing, until you are not streamlining your vision with the school vision, we are not going to come out with the expected result. So you should know that what is DPS, what is DPS philosophy, how DPS works, how the teachers are working, and what for you have joined DPS. It is not just to get the CBSE +2 degree. It is not just to qualify JEE Advanced, JEE Mains, or NEET, or medical like this way. Here you have to inculcate, we are here to inculcate the good character, good personality, good communication among children, so that wherever their life in future should enjoy, they should be happy and they should be healthy. So for us, only marks, that is not the criteria. In competition, how you communicate, how you address the people, how you do the debating, how you are listening others. Is it audible? I think there was some connection problem. So everything is important. How you put, how do you convince the people, how you inculcate the leadership in yourself, that is more important. Dear children, let me tell you, once you are qualifying the competition, once you are going in college and university, after that, no one is going to ask your marks. It is important to qualify. Knowledge is certainly important, but it is not only important. Along with this, these skills which are required, these personality traits, what I am going to talk, these things are also important. by the knowledge, by the marks, you are going to be part of the DPS. But this is input. I want, what should be the output? Output should be the marks, but along with that, good personality, good communication, good debating skill, good quizzing skills, and at the same time, very strong character. You will be the asset for the society once you are developing, you are working on all these things.